Okay, good afternoon. We're going to start real quick by just giving you a quick tutorial on how to add, edit, and manage your violation codes for your inspections and occupancies. Real simple. You're going to go back to your preferences. You're going to want to look for the tab that represents your occupancy site files, whatever it is you might call it. For this customer, they call it occupancy. And then we're going to see there's where our violation codes reside. Once in here, we can add, we can hide some, we can manage them. So right here we'll see that we've got this code 1, which is the group of exits. That is what we call system-wide, we call tier 1. And below it we have what we call tier 2. So if I wanted to add a code 106, I'm merely going to push the plus sign, and it's going to ask me, do I want to push, create a tier 1 or tier 2? We just discussed it's going to be tier 2. And the one thing I need to know is where it's going to reside. So I know it's going to fall under group number 1, and it's actually, we're going to call it code 106. And the title is going to be, we'll call it door latch, for an example. I'm going to have a second one where second page where I can put in more description if there's a fee associated with it and a reference. So the reference might be NFPA 101.x.x, so on and so forth. Say OK, and now you're going to see there's my 106 door latches. So if I wanted to create another grouping, and I'm going to call it group 2, I would say I'm going to create a code, and it's going to be tier 1. And I'm going to call it group 2, and I'm going to call it safety. Now we're going to see that now I've created my group safety. The other thing I can do is once I have them up here, if I want to manage them, so if I decided I really wanted that latches to show under my safety group and not under exits, I can push that button, and now I can just change the group from being group 1 to group 2. And now you'll see that door latches falls down there. If at one point I decided I no longer wanted to use code 102 or 103, I can merely hide them. When I click outside, you're going to see they disappear. They're not deleted. They're still in there. What you can do is use your filter over here that says, if I choose hidden only, you'll see there's the 2 I hid. And I can merely unhide them, which would bring them back to the surface of the front. I do have the ability to delete, so if I decided, okay, I don't need to hide this, I just want this code to go away. But we typically don't recommend that, but if it's a code you've never really used, or you know you're never going to use again, you can delete them. So I'm just going to delete that one. It's going to ask me nicely, make sure I want to do it, say yes, and I'm going to get, okay, I'm going to leave that one because that one was there. With that being said, we'll just give you one quick on where that resides. Again, preferences, look for the tab, fourth in from the right that represents your occupancies, and that's where your violation codes lie. Thank you.